Hello, everyone. Welcome back to UK Pro Writers, the go-to place for all things academic and research related. Today, we have a special topic that is crucial for any research endeavor: crafting a compelling research question. I'm excited to guide you through the steps to formulate a research question that will set the foundation for your entire study. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable content. Let's get started. Definition of a research question. First things first, what exactly is a research question? Well, it's the heart of your research project. A well-crafted research question not only guides your study but also helps you stay focused and ensures you're addressing a meaningful issue in your field. Importance of a compelling research question. Why does it matter? A compelling research question sets the tone for your entire research journey. It sparks interest, motivates your work, and helps you articulate the purpose of your study. For instance, if you're delving into the field of environmental science, you might find that there's a wealth of research on the impact of climate change on ecosystems. Through understanding your research area, you may discover a gap in the literature concerning the specific effects of microplastics on aquatic life, providing an opportunity for a focused and novel research question. Understand your research area. Understand your research area. Take the time to familiarize yourself with the existing literature. What questions have already been explored? What gaps or unanswered aspects can your research address? This foundation is crucial. Let's say your research area is education. Your goal might be to improve teaching methods for students with learning disabilities. By identifying this goal, your research question could center around evaluating the effectiveness of inclusive education practices for enhancing the academic performance of students with specific learning needs. Identify your research goals. Identify your research goals. What do you aim to achieve with your study? Whether it's contributing new knowledge, solving a problem, or challenging existing assumptions, clarifying your goals helps shape a focused question. Let's say your research area is education. Your goal might be to improve teaching methods for students with learning disabilities. By identifying this goal, your research question could center around evaluating the effectiveness of inclusive education practices for enhancing the academic performance of students with specific learning needs. Formulate a clear question. Formulate a clear question. Your research question should be clear, concise, and specific. Avoid ambiguity. Be sure that someone unfamiliar with your topic can understand the question without additional explanation. Consider a research topic in psychology exploring the relationship between social media use and mental health. A clear question could be, how does daily exposure to social media influence the self-esteem and anxiety levels of adolescents? This question provides clarity and sets the stage for a focused investigation. Ensure relevance and significance. Ensure relevance and significance. Ask yourself, why does this question matter? Ensure that your research question is relevant to your field and has the potential to contribute meaningfully to the existing body of knowledge. Imagine you're conducting research in the field of public health. Your question could revolve around the impact of a specific health intervention on reducing the prevalence of a particular disease in a given population. By establishing the relevance and significance of your question, you ensure that your research has real-world implications and can inform public health practices. Test and refine. Test and refine. Share your research question with peers, mentors, or colleagues. Their feedback can be invaluable in refining your question, making it more robust and well-rounded. Suppose your research question involves exploring the effectiveness of a new teaching method in improving student engagement. Seeking feedback from experienced educators, fellow researchers, or educational experts can provide insights into potential variables to consider, alternative approaches, and overall strengthen the formulation of your research question. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've now completed our step-by-step guide on crafting a compelling research question. Remember, a well-thought-out question is the first step towards a successful research journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your fellow researchers. Subscribe for more insightful content, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy researching! Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or specific topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave a comment below. Until next time, happy researching.